Hey guys, welcome back again in MU Osima classes. How to implement chat functionality in React Native. Alright, so we are working in the cab booking series and in the rider part. Alright, so in the rider application, we are implementing the chat functionality. Alright, before that, we have implemented so many things like web view, how to set up a web view, how to make the login page, how to make the sign up page, how to make OTP screen page. Alright, and what to do with the OTP implementation and the app intro slider. Alright, and we have set up each and everything in this. Alright, so in this today video we are going to discuss and we are going to implement the chat functionality. Alright, so in order to implement the chat functionality, what to do, we are gonna use React Native gifted chat package. Alright, so React Native gifted chat package. Alright, so this package is basically available on npm and you can just simply search React Native gifted chat and just need to install this package. Alright, just need to install this. Alright, okay, so our application is launched. Alright, and here we have the simulator. So here we have this intro slider, get started, and then we have the sign in option. We can do sign in here, using credential, and we have the sign up page as well. Right, so these things we already done, right? So आपने अभी तक check नहीं किए videos, so you can check my old videos, right? Okay, so let's just jump into the home page first. So just clicking here, just click and continue, because these things are right now dummy. Alright, so we are not basically focusing on other things. So in this today's video I'm not going to map any screen, alright, not home screen. I'm not going to show you like how to user can persist authenticated if one time authenticated. Alright, so I'm not going to tell anything in this video like this. So I am just going to tell you how to install React Native gifted chat and how to use this library. Alright, so let me break into a different part. So in the home root I'm going to create one new folder called chat. Alright, in this I'm going to create one new file called index.js. Alright, and this is export default, right, from container. Okay, so sorry, container, and I'm going to create one new file called container. Okay, alright, container.js. okay, and here in this file I'm going to create this let's say a class based component. Alright, this can be called chat page and this can be a component, so import from. Alright, I'm going to create one new component with this name .js. Cool, and this will be a functional based component. Okay, so let me just first install this package, and meanwhile we can work. Alright, installing this package. In meanwhile what we can do here, we can just make a text. Alright, hey there, this is chat page. Alright, and I'm gonna use this text component from React Native package. Alright, text. Cool, so here we have the navigation file, and under this we have app navigator, right? Correct. Okay, and under in this I have to set here I guess inside the home root we have drawer, and here we have the home stack. Okay, here we have this home screen, as we can see here in the simulator, right? But we are not focusing on any other any other screen. We are just focusing on the chat one. All right, so let me just copy this home stack, and just this root I'm going to copy this here, and I'm making it with the name chat, C capital chat. All right, and the same name I wanted to use here also. Cool. All right, so I want to place this as a first state because I wanted to show this chat page first right now. So like this, we have home, we have chat, under in the home root we can have chat like this. That's it. All right, can't find variable chat. Let's just check. All right, so we are getting the home page only. Okay, let me check what is the issue. Oh, no problem. I guess everything seems fine. Okay, it should work, I guess, if I'm defining in the first position. All right. Okay, so where's my splash screen? Okay, let me just check splash screen, because in this screen only हो सकता है we have already defined where we have to go. Okay, so like this you can see here we are actually navigating into the home screen if we authenticated. I mean, if we have is login, if logged in true, right, then we are navigating into the home screen. So what I have to do, I have to navigate first into home, not home, chat screen. So just chat here. Okay, let me just refresh. It should work, I guess. Yes, it is working. So like this, at the top you can see there is a chat screen. So okay, so this is the page now we have. All right, so let me just focus on the chat package. The package is installed, and I guess nothing else in order to install the package. All right, okay, everything is good. So just in order to use, just copy this line, paste over here in the component. All right, let me copy this also as well. All right, just replacing this. Okay, cool. And here we have the example function that I'm gonna copy whole from here. I'm gonna use in my component. All right, and I'm gonna replace the name with example to chat page. Cool, perfect. And it should be export default. Export default. All right, cool. So let me see in my simulator. Oh, perfect. So now if you are using the same code, then you can see this screen, this whole chat screen, and then you have this option, type a message. Suppose I'm typing any message, I can see I have now send button. When I'm clicking into the send button, you can see this is my message. All right, so by default I can see 10:44 p.m. because I'm actually recording this video on 10:44 p.m. in the night, so you can see the time is also correct. So if I'm writing something, then only I'm getting the send button. All right, and according to our requirement, you can see in default we need this chat logo, no comment yet message, and this should be come with the name जिससे हमको बात करनी है, और जिससे हमको chat करनी है, and we should get this logo of the user. All right, I mean the picture of the user, and if picture is not available, then we will use a default picture over here, and we have this back icon. So right now we have nothing here, but we have this chat functionality. All right, okay, cool. so we have this one. All right, we are not going to cover the same exact UI like we have here, and yeah, well, that's it. I mean, we did. All right, how to use this gifted chat package. So I'm gonna use this package, and if you also going to implement the chat implementation in your project, then you can use, you know, this package, and this package is very awesome. So guys, you can see this is very simple in order to, I mean, use this package, and this is very easy in order to implement chat in your application. ऑलराइट गाइस, सो आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर ये हेलो डेवलपर इस तरीके का मैसेज आ रहा है, राइट. सो ये हमको किस तरीके का मैसेज है और कहाँ से आ रहा है. सो अब आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर यूज़ इफेक्ट में मैंने एक सेट मैसेज ट्रिगर किया है, जिसमें क्या हो रहा है कि हम यूज़ स्टेट के थ्रू मैसेज नाम की स्टेट के अंदर इस पूरे ऑब्जेक्ट को रखते हैं. राइट, एंड इसी एक्चुअली दिस इज़ नॉट अ ऑब्जेक्ट, दिस इज़ एरे एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. इट्स मीन इट्स अ एरे, ऑलराइट, विथ अ सिंगल मैसेज, and this message basically indicating this item is object. alright, so बहुत ही सिंपल सी बात है. एरे के अंदर मल्टीपल ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स हो सकते हैं, एंड ईच ऑब्जेक्ट बेसिकली रिप्रेजेंट अ सिंगल मैसेज. alright, this should have a id, this should have id, this should have text, this should have create at this new date, and इसके अलावा वी हैव दिस यूज़र एंड ID2, एंड देन वी कैन हैव अवतार. सो ये जो अवतार आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पर एक पिक्चर आ रही है, ये पिक्चर बेसिकली इस यूज़र की है जो कि यहाँ पर आपने डिफाइन करके रखी है. अगर आप मल्टीपल टाइम इसे अगर आप अभी यहाँ पर कॉपी एंड पेस्ट कर दीजिए इस तरीके से एंड रिफ्रेश करेंगे आपको. सो अब आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर इस यूज़र ने 3 मैसेजेस अगर आपको करें तो ये यू कैन सी 3 मैसेजेस, राइट, बिकॉज यहाँ पर ईच ऑब्जेक्ट एक मैसेज को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. राइट, सो मैं अंडू कर देता हूँ कोड को. ओके, सो अब मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ कि किस तरीके से हम ये हमारे पास टेक्स्ट इनपुट फील्ड आ रही है, जब हम कुछ टाइप करते हैं यहाँ पर सेंड बटन आता है, ये सारा चीज़ कैसे हो रही है. ऑलराइट, सो यहाँ पर देखिए गिफ्टेड चैट नाम का एक कंपोनेंट है दैट यू आर यूजिंग. ऑलराइट, एंड हियर वी हैव द मैसेजेस. सो ये जो आपको ऑब्जेक्ट के बारे में बताया था मैंने, एक एरे है, राइट. ये एरे बेसिकली हम मैसेज में रखते हैं एंड हम मैसेजेस को डायरेक्टली यहाँ पर पास करते हैं. सो इसका जो डेटा टाइप है वो एक एरे है. ऑलराइट, एंड देन वी हैव ऑन सेंड. ये ऑन सेंड तब ट्रिगर होता है जब बेसिकली हम इस सेंड बटन पे क्लिक करते हैं. ऑलराइट, एंड ये जो भी पेलोड होता है, जो भी आपने यहाँ पर कुछ भी टेक्स्ट लिखा होता है, डेटा लिखा होता है, ये सारा डेटा आपको मैसेजेस में रिटर्न करता है. ऑलराइट, एंड देन आई एम कॉलिंग ऑन सेंड फंक्शन. और आप यहाँ दे सकते हो हम लोगों ने यहाँ पर सेट मैसेजेस के अंदर हमने प्रीवियस मैसेजेस को उठाया है, एंड प्रीवियस मैसेजेस के अंदर हमने अपने नए मैसेज को अपेंड कर दिया है. ऑलराइट, सो दैट क्या होगा कि ये जो मैसेजेस है ये अपडेट हो जाएगा, कॉन्केटिनेट हो जाएगा, हमारा डेटा भी ये साथ में अपने एंड पे ऐड कर लेगा. ऑलराइट, और ऑलरेडी वो जो गिफ्टेड चैट है हमारा डायरेक्टली वो यहीं पर दिखाने लगेगा. जैसे ही हम यहाँ पर करेंगे सेंड बटन, तो देखिए यहाँ पर अपेंड हो गया है, राइट. तो ये इसके थ्रू हो पा रहा है. कूल. ऑलराइट, सो आई होप गाइज आपको सारी चीज़ें क्लियर हो चुकी होंगी. सो इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू हाउ टू इम्प्लीमेंट दिस पेज. सो इफ़ यू गोइंग टू चैट समवन very first time, then you will get this no message yet logo in the center of the screen. Alright guys, so we're going to implement this in the next video. So I hope you will see the next video. So I hope आपने बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखी होंगी इस वीडियो में. So अगर चीज़ें आपने सीखी हैं तो please do like this video and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you so much.